Hello students. So over here you can see the topic name Zahlen. Zahlen. Try to pronounce it like if you don't know national language, then you can try pronouncing it with T, T and S. If you make a sound of T and Z together, yeah, some people also make a sound of T and S. Ts. Or else if you know little bit Hindi, the sound of T and the sound of S, yeah, if you make it together, it becomes half T, half S. Utsa, utsa, okay, T and S. Zahlen. Little T and S sound should come for this word. Don't make a sound of zebra. Yeah, for this. It is half T, half S, half tiger, half soph. T and S. Ts. Zahlen. Die Zahl, die Zahlen. It is in female gender. Die Zahl, die Zahlen means numbers. We are going to see from 0 to 12 in the first step. There are some steps of learning numbers in German if you want to learn in a proper manner. This can it's like a hint for you all. You can keep in your mind properly if you learn through this step. Yeah. So try learning the numbers from 0 to 12 first. So 0 to 12, how to learn? Don't see the digits which are written in the words. Only see over here the digits in the number form. Okay. So let's start. Null, null, null. Eins, eins, eins. Zwei, zwei, zwei. Don't see this part. If possible, take 1 second. I have taken one paper. I will be hiding this part with this paper. Yeah. Null. Listen carefully, very properly. Null. Eins. Zwei. Half T and half S. Zwei. Drei. Vier. Fünf. Sechs. Z sound first. Z. Sechs. Sieben. Acht. 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, this I read in front of you in one attempt. But while learning it, you have to repeatedly watch this video and listen the sounds together. Or if you have sounds, you can listen to that sounds. But it is very necessary to revise it. In one attempt, of course, the registration won't happen. Okay. So now, null. We'll see how the null looks. Null. Null. Repeat with me. Null. Eins. 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 Zwei. Half T, half S. TZ or TS. Zwei. 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 I have already taught you the sound of EI. At your last page of your notebook, you have written R for rabbit, EI, E for elephant, I for ice cream. REI. You can write at your last page of your notebook. We have written over there to keep in our mind Aishwarya Rai. So in this way, W becomes W, Y, and this T and Z, Ts. Zwei, zwei, drei, drei. Vier, vier, vier. If you want, underline the word VIE, and V in German should be made the sound of F, F. So, F. In your native language, you all can write F, Fee, Fee, fear. Little ear sound should come. Fear. Fünf, fünf, fünf. At your last page of your notebook, you must observe that U with 2 dots, I have made a sound of U, like how we do to a dog. U. Yeah. Fume. Fumph. Zex. Zex. Z sound. Please underline SE, and in your native language, try writing Z with pencil. Z. Zex. Zex. Zeben. 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 Acht. 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 Neun. 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 Zehn. 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 Elf. 12. Here and here little th and s sound. Zehn. 12. In the beginning, if you're not able to say it, you can make a sound of Z, no problem. But with more practice, try taking effort to say half th and half s. Ts, zehn and 12. Now, watch the video again and again to listen these sounds and repeat after what do I say accordingly. Now, your first step to learn numbers is from 0 to 12. Practice it as many times as you can and then only make your audio for me. Without practice, don't make an audio. First practice and then audio. Whatever audio you have made, you can compare with the video. And listen carefully your own voice and my voice, and then only give me your audio. From 0 to 12, you can learn one question related to numbers. Zahlen. You can tell your Handynummer und Telefonnummer. In the noun section, you already know Handynummer means mobile number. Telefonnummer means landline number. Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? Wie. This word is wie. Ist. Ist. Ihre. Please underline I. And in your native language, you can write E. You already know the E sound. Okay? E. Ihre. Wie ist Ihre? Because it is ending with E for elephant, the sound should come is A. But when we say it fast, it has little bit sound of A. A. Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? Handynummer. Meine means my. Meine Handynummer ist. Now, whatever digits you have learned, you can use it with 10 digits. Yeah. So, 8, 3, 2, 9, 3, 6, 3, 7, 6, 5. Now, you can make imaginary numbers, no problem. But they should be in count of 10 students because teacher of course will check it. Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? Meine Handynummer ist. In the same manner, same question, copy paste down, only change the main vocab. Handynummer became Telefonnummer. Make sure you all write the spellings in proper manner of Telefonnummer. Meine Telefonnummer ist 020, and then you can start with the digit according to your post. According to the code which is mentioned according to your state, you can tell the Telefonnummer. One more option is there for asking for Telefonnummer or Handynummer is wie lautet. La sound we already know, A and U. Au, lau, lautet. Wie lautet Ihre Telefonnummer. This is an alternative to this ist word. Alternative to it, wie lautet Ihre Telefonnummer? Wie lautet Ihre Handynummer? Meine Telefonnummer lautet, and then you can tell the number. Meine Handynummer lautet, and then you can tell your number. Now what do I want from your end? Listen it properly. Make an audio of yourself with this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make the fourth question by your own with the Handynummer. And write your number or an imaginary number, and please do send me with your audio of explanation and pronunciation. Last repetition: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.